Gaurav is the CEO with Morning Owl. And I think the way he wants to kind of address this today is a short little video that kind of introduces his organization and then would come back and deal with the underlying details tied to that. So let me go ahead and stop sharing my screen and let him take over for the screen. So that would be the screen share and let him kind of pick up from here.
We started this business because we wanted to make healthy sleep accessible and affordable. We started with 100% natural latex mattresses and pillows. These products are certified natural, free from any toxic materials. It is completely safe even for infants and toddlers. All Morning Owl products are completely made in India, right from sourcing of raw material to the final finished product. The purpose of Morning Owl as a brand is to create a positive, lasting change in our industry and beyond by way of sustainable and responsible action. All the products getting delivered from our factory to customer directly is backed by a strong supply chain. In this entire process, we are trying to build an ecosystem where the interests of all the stakeholders are taken care of, right from farmers, laborers, and the end customer. For example, a queen size 6-inch thick latex mattress gives employment to almost 15 farmers, 5 laborers, and what the customer gets is a complete certified natural product.
Hey, hi, Dave. Thank you so much. Good morning, everyone. Thank you, Alak, as well. So this was a very short in detail, like what exactly do we do at Morning Owl. So to give you a brief highlight, we started way back in 2017 and the journey has been quite beautiful till now. Over the past 2 years, we have seen good numbers as well. Now, not taking much time, so I'll just delve into the matter. The thing is that when we grow as a company, lot and lot, especially in terms of e-commerce, we have like the visitors increasing every day. Convergence is what actually matter at the end of the day for people who are into e-commerce. Now, here is what we actually realized that yeah, we were doing good, we were hitting numbers, but somehow the conversion ratio was dropping year by year. So if we have to look at the data, we'll see that the conversion ratio was not up to the mark as even when the number of visitors kept on growing from 2019, 2020, and now 2021. So we kind of understood that the main problem could have been not utilizing the insight that we should be getting from the data that we are capturing. Now that is where Centric comes in. Now our association with Centric was primarily in order to improve our customer experience overall, not just before purchasing, even after post purchase, the kind of experience that the customer gets, because that automatically leads to a greater conversion ratio and also helps us retain customers, because at the end of the day we want to be a very customer centric company, and that is our primary goal, because we understand the underlying fact, like any D2C company today understand that customer experience is what matters the most, which will automatically be helping in obtaining the operating margin as well. So may it be through good experience using such tools such as analytics, analyzing the data, which Centric is helping us to understand where are the loopholes, where are the gaps, which could be filled through the data points that we have already gathered but may not have utilized till now. And also through certain other tools that we are making use of is one such is conversational AI, that is like chatbot, which we are integrating into our website to give a very seamless experience to customer uh, regarding information on the website that they require, and even like post purchase or whenever they have any queries. So this is what it has been, and we are looking forward to a very great collaboration, and definitely, yeah, I'm pretty sure that this collaboration will definitely be helping me and Centric as well.
You know, that
Yeah.
slide that you just have up there is a perfect story. If you could go back one, that would be great. And that is essentially kind of the life